This is the Sky Cafe, floating above the clouds, a place where adventurers rest their wings.
What a view. It was a long flight getting here. I'm starving. I hope they have something good to eat.
Welcome! Welcome to the Sky Cafe. Would you like a seat by the window?
That sounds perfect. Thank you.
Here is the menu for you.
Thanks. Everything looks delicious. Is this Thundercloud Burger spicy?
Yes, it's a little bit spicy. It gives a shock like electricity.
I see. I'm in the mood for something more relaxing today.
What do you recommend?
In that case, the fluffy cloud pancakes are our most popular dish. You eat them with plenty of sky honey poured on top.
That sounds good. I'll have one of those, please.
Certainly. Would you like anything to drink?
I'll have an iced coffee. Can I get milk and sugar on the side?
Of course. Please wait a moment. At that moment, a woman with a mysterious atmosphere entered the shop.
Hello. Is there a table available?
Yes, please come to this quiet table right here.
She's holding an amazing staff. Is she a mage?
Thank you. This place always smells so nice.
Lady Celine, would you like your usual moonlight tea?
Yes, please. Make it a little extra hot today.
Certainly. Extra hot moonlight tea it is.
Also, one Stardust cookie, please.
Understood. I'll bring it right away.
Moonlight Tea. That's a fancy name.
Oh, did you hear that?
Sorry. I was just talking to myself.
I don't mind. You're an adventurer, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm Leo. Just came back from exploring the sky ruins.
Sorry to keep you waiting. Here are the fluffy cloud pancakes.
Wow, they really look like clouds.
And here is your iced coffee. Milk and sugar are here. And Lady Celine's moonlight tea and cookie.
Thank you, Arya. The aroma is wonderful.
Let's eat. It melts in my mouth.
I'm so glad you like it.
That looks delicious, too.
Yeah, it's the best. My fatigue is blowing away.
Excuse me, could I get some water?
Yes, coming right up. Here you go, some cold spring water.
Thanks. Great service.
Arya, could I have a napkin, please?
Yes, here it is.
Well, I should get going soon.
Check, please.
Yes, I can take care of that at the table.
Do you accept guild cards?
Yes, we do. Please tap it here.
All right, all done. That was great.
Safe travels, adventurer.
Thanks. See you around.
Thank you very much. Have a safe flight. From here on, it's time for today's review.
I'll be reviewing too. Is everyone ready?
We have 4 key phrases today. Here is the first one. Do you have a table for?
You use this when asking, do you have a seat for N people?
For example, for 2 people, or for 3 people.
If you say this when you enter a shop, you'll be fine.
Next is the second phrase. What do you recommend?
It's an expression to ask, what do you recommend?
When you are unsure, try asking the staff this question.
I asked for a recommendation and got the pancakes, which was a great choice.
The third one is a standard phrase for ordering. I'll have the...
It's short for I will have. It means I'd like to have.
You can also point at the menu and say, I'll have this. Finally, the fourth phrase. Check, please.
It means bill please. You always use it at the end of a meal.
If you say, can I have the check, it sounds even more polite. That's it for today's lesson. See you next time.